Since when has diabetes been a problem for humans? Did our oldest ancestors have diabetes? There are records of cases of diabetes very early in human history, notably in ancient Egypt. So, yes, we have been dealing with that particular glitch for a long time. Egyptian doctors knew of it, so did the Greeks. The term diabetes mellitus comes from ancient Greece, where doctors noticed that patients suffered from frequent urination and that their urine tasted sweet, like honey. Like many wear and tear diseases found in middle aged to older adults, diabetes stuck around in the gene pool because it didn't impact our fertility too badly. When a person dies from diabetes, they are generally old enough that their children are at least partially independent. The children survived, as did their genetic susceptibility to developing diabetes themselves, given the right environment. You might think we could detect that people had diabetes before writing, if we found ancient bodies and examined them, but it's hard to tell whether any of the bodies we examined were of people who died of or with diabetes. So we can very well test their blood sugar. However, we have found Egyptian mummies of upper class individuals who lost toes, probably to complications of diabetes. This particular prosthetic was recovered from a mummy of a woman in late middle age who lost her big toe and had a prosthesis crafted. From the wear and tear on the artifact, it seems that it was actually used in daily life, not just attached to the body so that she could be complete in the afterlife. Researchers think that because of the age of the body and the locations of lost toe, this woman probably had diabetes and may have died from it. Thanks.